What's going on, good people? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and in this short video, guys, I just saw an opportunity on AUDJPY, of which I want to share with you. This is something that you can actually trade, and these are actually what I call my go-to setups. You know, something like this can actually give you massive percentage and massive pips. All right, so this is AUDJPY. So you can see that AUDJPY from the daily time frame, look at that. We had this structure over here, so we had this structure over here, you know, that gave us 1, 2, 3 touches of, okay, then we actually very it was actually a ranging market consolidating to the downside, but we actually broke out and came all the way to this level over here to complete what we call our 90% rule. So you can see that we actually played out all the way to complete our 90% rule, and then after that we had this structure over here, of which still the 90% rule of this structure also, you can see that the market actually played out after giving us 1, 2, 3, almost like 4 touches as well on that structure. So now so you can see this is a clean structure on that, broken out, and then now you can see that we are actually giving us another structure over there. On the weekly time frame, if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that we are looking for this market to come all the way maybe to these lows over here. All right, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame and show you the opportunity, and these are sort of my go-to setups. So you can see that we had this double top over here. The market came back all the way to this level, then it's been consolidating to the upside. We had this structure over here. Now this is the kind of structure that we don't want to we normally don't let this kind of structure pass us like that, because you can see that after this double top over here, on top of this level over here, we had this structure that had 1, 2, and 3 touches. Remember, we look for 3 touches, then we know that this market was gonna do, was gonna sell. So this is what we call a mass psychology, whereby a lot of people thought that this double top over here has been actually broken out, you know, broken out, so they were actually looking for buying opportunities. Then the market comes back inside massively like that. Then of course you could have taken your sales on top here, or you could have taken your sales on the breakout over there. Now the opportunity I want to share is inside here. So once we had this strong bearish movement over here, of course we are looking for what? We are looking for our first after this let me take this out. So after this setup here, I mean this structure over here, as you can see, this structure over here, what we do is we saw an impulse move, and of course now we are looking for a clear correction for us to sell all the way to this level over here, and overall all the way to that level over there. So you can see that so far we have this. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame, and then we see what is it that we look for, and what is going to make us to enter this. So after this structure over here, so you can see this structure was a very clean structure over there. All right, so you can see that. Then after that, now we have our what? After this impulse move, we are now having our what? We are now having our first bearish flag, of which I'm looking for 3 points. So you can see that so far we have 1, we have 2. So there are 2 things this market could do: could come all the way, then come back to this level over here before now it commits, or you know, it could just come, once it comes down, it will come all the way to this double. Remember, this was the double, the double top area over there. Okay, then it will come all the way to this double top over area over here before now it actually now commits to the downside. So you can see it's a very clean double top over here with a broken out structure, and of course this market could actually come down and come all the way to either this level and then before it actually commits. So it could actually maybe reverse from this level over here or reverse from this level over here. So this one, I'm looking forward to either entering it here once it gives me a confirmation over here or over here. So what I'm doing so far is that I'm waiting for my third touch. I'm waiting for my third touch before now I can enter this market. Of course, my stop loss is going to be somewhere above this level over there. Then I'm targeting these levels over here. So you can see that my first target could be this level, which is around 10%, or the overall move to the downside, which is a clean, you can see that we're looking at a possible 16% thereabout, yeah, around 16%. So we can either get a 10% to this level over here or a 16% to this level over here. So these are very clean and structure. As you can see, these are actually my go-to setups, whereby we had an area over here. So let me take this one out. So a place whereby we had this double top over there, as you can see. Then on the third touch, we had this structure, we had a breakout, but this breakout actually gave us a structure of which it was a reversal pattern for us. Then we had an impulse move. Then after the impulse move, now we are looking for our flag. Then we can continue to the downside. So I wanna wait for this market to come to me at this level over here before now I can be interested in my sell. So guys, you can add this to your watch list, and yeah, and you can see that this is massive pips that you can get to the downside. So thank you so much guys for watching. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe to this channel. This is Eagle, so that you don't miss out on every video that we upload. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.